So as I look to 2019 for asset management, I think we're looking at the best of times and the worst of times. It's the best of times because the pools of investment capital are big and they're getting bigger. Some of that's the institutional capital from sovereign wealth funds and global pension funds. Then look at private capital. The growth of private wealth is just growing exponentially, especially in this region here in Asia Pacific. The opportunity for asset management has never been better. These are the best of times, but the worst of times as well. There's some huge challenges, not least pressures on margins. The fees that asset managers can earn on the assets they're managing going down significantly. Over the last 10 years, we've seen average fees reduce from about 100 basis points closer to 50 basis points. That's a massive disruption to the industry. And the cost of just being in business, when you think about the compliance costs, risk management costs, costs around introducing new technology, this is a real pressure on the industry. But I'm optimistic for the future. There's some great opportunities. I think the ETF market has got further to go. So far it's been dominated by the big passive index players, but I think there's a great opportunity around active ETFs and more specialist ETFs, and they're a great product for digital platforms. We're seeing a lot of growth in alternatives. A lot of capital is being deployed in real estate, private equity, infrastructure and private credit. We see huge growth in this alternatives space. One of the big challenges the industry faces is around trust. One of the ways the industry is really dealing with this is to really put a lot more emphasis and much more embracing the concepts of sustainable finance and responsible investment. We're seeing the application of ESG, environmental, social and governance principles, coming to the heart and the core of the asset management industry. I think we're going to see that trend really gain some momentum as we look into 2019. So overall, I'm very positive about the prospects for asset management, but there's a lot of challenges too.